also has a plugin directory for the Control Deck software, which allows you to quickly set up all of the most prominent and helpful shortcuts for all of the biggest software platforms out there. For me, I installed the plugin packs for Photoshop and Lightroom and Final Cut Pro. So now all of those tools, all of the frequently used tools can be quickly mapped to the pads, and I went and did that without very much hassle at all. Not only can you customize the label icon, but also the label text for each of the shortcuts, even if they're in the predefined plugins, which is really, really helpful. So for me, I've got one full macro pad screen. There's multiple screens that you can switch between on this pad. And so one is all of my Final Cut shortcuts, cutting, trimming, zoom in and out of my timeline, color balancing, effects, etc. My second one is all my Photoshop shortcuts. Again, text, color balance, saturation, curves. And lastly, I've configured one for Lightroom so I can quickly get in and out, add flags, get back to the library when I'm in an edit. The list goes on. The software is really fast, it's really stable, and in my 3 weeks now of testing this product, I've had absolutely no issues with reliability. And with this being a 15-button macro pad that supports up to 10 pages or screens of different shortcuts and macros, you can theoretically have 150 different shortcuts on the pad ready to go at a moment's notice. So yeah, while this is a streamer's dream because you can trigger sound effects and different camera stuff, obviously that's what these are sort of designed and aimed for. For a productivity guy like myself, or someone who's doing video editing, photo editing, having a macro pad like the Ampligame D6 just unlocks so much more flexibility. For me, it allows me to basically work one-handed, just with my mouse hand. I can then quickly trigger a macro or switch tools or go back with my mouse and do it all without having to go back to the keyboard. This is a massive, massive time saver and huge productivity boost and hack.